Hello, dear friends. Today we're going to talk about a topic you might not have paid much attention to: the role of sleep in learning. Imagine that while you're asleep, your brain is still working, processing information, and even strengthening your memory. Exciting, right? In this video, we'll show you how sleep can aid your learning, what factors enhance or weaken this process, and how you can use this scientific knowledge to improve your life and skills. Why is this important? Because we all live in a world where time is limited, and learning new skills or retaining information can be challenging. If you can use your sleep hours as a tool for learning, you'll undoubtedly gain a significant advantage. Let's dive into the fascinating world of sleep and learning. Why is sleep crucial for learning? 1. The structure of sleep. How does the brain function during sleep? Sleep is a dynamic, multi-phase process that consists of different cycles. These cycles are broadly divided into REM sleep, rapid eye movement. This is the stage where the brain is most active. Dreams occur during this phase, and the brain analyzes and reconstructs daily experiences. REM sleep plays a crucial role in creativity, strategic thinking, and solving complex problems. NREM sleep, non-rapid eye movement. This stage includes light sleep and deep sleep. During deep sleep, the brain transfers new information from short-term memory to long-term memory. It also restores the body and clears out toxins accumulated during the day. The process of memory consolidation during sleep. When you learn something new, your brain temporarily stores this information in short-term memory. However, for this information to remain in your mind long-term, it needs to be transferred to long-term memory. This process happens during sleep, particularly in deep sleep, NREM stage. Research shows that people perform better at recalling information and solving problems after a full night's sleep. For example, students who get enough sleep before an exam usually achieve better results than those who stay up all night studying. How do dreams help learning? Dreams are not only a reflection of daily experiences, but also help the brain solve problems and create new connections between pieces of information. Scientists believe that dreams can enhance creativity and help find innovative solutions. The impact of sleep on different types of learning. Sleep isn't only beneficial for one type of learning. It plays a role in all aspects of learning motor skills. If you're learning a motor skill like playing the piano, driving, or a sport, sleep helps your brain remember and optimize these movements. In fact, when you sleep, your brain repeatedly practices these actions. Language learning. One of the most fascinating aspects of sleep is its role in learning new languages. Playing audio files of a language while sleeping can help the brain process this information better. Also, reviewing new vocabulary before bed can facilitate learning. Learning complex concepts. REM sleep helps you establish new connections between pieces of information. If you're studying for an exam or trying to grasp complex concepts, sleep can assist you in understanding them more effectively. How to optimize your sleep. Maintain a regular sleep schedule. A consistent sleep schedule is one of the key factors for improved learning. Your bedtime and wake-up time should be fixed. This helps your body adapt to sleep cycles and ensures better quality sleep. Follow a healthy diet. What you eat and drink can significantly impact your sleep quality. To improve sleep, avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. Consume magnesium-rich foods like almonds, bananas, and spinach. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Your sleep environment should be dark, quiet, and cool. Avoid using electronic devices in the bedroom and reserve your bed solely for sleeping. Practice meditation and relaxation. Meditation before bed can calm your mind and improve sleep quality. It also helps your brain process information better. Use specific techniques. One practical technique is to review learned material before bed. This helps the brain consolidate the information during the night. Common mistakes in sleep and learning. Many people make mistakes that disrupt the learning process during sleep, such as going to bed with stress or worry, overusing phones or laptops before sleep, not getting enough or good quality sleep. The connection between sleep, brain health, and long-term learning. Sleep and brain toxin clearance. Did you know that your brain performs a unique cleansing process during sleep? Throughout the day, due to cognitive activities, toxins like beta amyloid accumulate in the brain. These toxins can lead to memory problems and even diseases like Alzheimer's. Sleep, especially deep sleep, allows the brain to remove these toxins. This cleansing process not only supports mental health, but also improves long-term learning. The role of melatonin in enhancing learning. Melatonin is a hormone secreted in the dark that helps regulate the sleep-wake cycle. Research shows that optimal melatonin levels can improve sleep quality, thus optimizing learning processes. How to boost melatonin production. Avoid blue light from electronic devices before bed. Keep your sleeping environment dark. The role of napping and learning. Are short naps really effective? If you don't get enough nighttime sleep, napping can be a great alternative. Studies show that a short nap, 10 to 30 minutes, can improve alertness, focus, and even learning ability. Napping in the middle of the day, especially after learning a new skill, can help consolidate information. Long naps and sleep inertia. If your nap lasts longer than 30 minutes, you might enter deeper stages of sleep. Waking up during these stages can cause sleep inertia, leaving you feeling groggy and reducing productivity. Children and teenagers need more sleep as their brains are still developing. Sleep not only aids better learning, but also supports physical and emotional growth. How can you help them? Maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Limit electronic device use before bedtime. In adulthood, work stress and responsibilities often reduce sleep quality. This can lead to lower productivity and weaker learning abilities. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation or yoga before bed. Dedicate time for rest and recreation. Seniors often experience reduced REM sleep and face health issues, which can make consolidating new information challenging. How to improve this? Consume foods rich in tryptophan, e.g., turkey and almonds. Sleep in a calm, disturbance-free environment. The impact of stress and anxiety on sleep and learning. How does stress disrupt sleep? Stress raises cortisol levels, which can disrupt the body's natural rhythm and reduce sleep quality. When sleep is impaired, the brain struggles with information consolidation and processing. Stress reduction techniques for better sleep and learning. Deep breathing exercises. Practicing deep breathing before bed can calm your body. Writing your thoughts. Writing down your worries in a journal before bed can help clear your mind. Listening to relaxing music. Slow-paced music can prepare your brain for sleep. Learning during sleep. Myth or reality? Can you learn a new skill while sleeping? A common question is whether one can learn a new skill, such as a language or playing an instrument, while sleeping. Research indicates that the brain strengthens information learned during waking hours. However, learning entirely new things during sleep is not possible. Using educational audio during sleep. Playing educational audio files, e.g., a foreign language, during light sleep stages can improve recall of the material. Use audio with a calm tone. Adjust the volume so it doesn't disrupt your sleep. During REM sleep, the brain creates new patterns and connections that are often inaccessible during waking hours. Many famous artists and scientists, such as Thomas Edison and Salvador Dali, used sleep to enhance their creativity. Dream journals. Write down your dreams after waking up. This can provide fresh ideas. Problem solving before bed. If you're facing a problem, think about it before sleep. Your brain will work on it during REM sleep. Sleep cycles last approximately 90 minutes. To optimize learning, it's best to time your sleep so you complete full cycles. How to manage your sleep cycles. Set your sleep duration as a multiple of 90 minutes, e.g., 7.5 hours or 9 hours. Determine your wake-up time based on your sleep cycles. Research suggests that the best time to review material is right after waking up. The brain is in its most receptive state for learning at this time. Now that you know about the role of sleep in learning, I encourage you to try these techniques and share your experiences with us. If you'd like more videos or articles on this topic, make sure to follow our YouTube channel and share your thoughts in the comments. We're looking forward to hearing from you.